the lower level of the house, and as you can see, there's no floor in here, but we also don't have a laundry inside the house. So what we are planning is to make kind of like a laundry here under the house, just until we can do something better. The first thing I'm gonna do is organizing this area and getting everything out of it. So now that we remove everything from this area right here, I'm gonna be leveling the floor a little bit just to make it more comfortable. And also I'm gonna get this area ready to put a washer over there, at least a washer. So we removed most of the debris already, and this is almost ready to start working on it. So this is all the debris we removed from this area. Now it looks pretty clean, I think. At least a little bit better. So let's see. So we're gonna make a small floor right here with some concrete pieces we bought at Home Depot. We're gonna make it like 3 by 3 for now, just to make the washer fit right here. Now I'm gonna spread some sand so we can level the concrete pieces after. These are the concrete pieces that we bought. These ones are $188 a piece, so I think it's not the cheapest, but it's not really expensive either, and they might work really good. So, our temporary floor is done. Let's keep going with the next project. So I'm gonna use some of this gray rock just to keep the area a little bit cleaner. I'm gonna pour a little bit over here. I have like, let's see, like 7-8 buckets like this, 5-gallon buckets. And that's what I'm gonna use to pour over here, just to make it a little bit cleaner.
and dryer are here. This is how it's looking. I hope this works. And this is like a small sink. It's gonna be here. And hopefully I'm gonna be able to wash my clothes. I think I have like more than 8 loads. Yeah, that I need to wash. So I need this so bad.
So we needed to use our area, even though we have not finished because we needed to wash clothes. But now I'm gonna put the sink right here. I'm gonna take the measurements and do all the job. So I'm gonna mount the sink about 40 inches high. Now I'm gonna get the level. This is the sink that we're gonna use. It's a 24 inches sink. My mom gave it to me because she bought it, but she's not gonna use it, so that's good for us. I'm gonna try to use this drill. It's not super powerful for this, but it might work. Let's see if it works. This is what we're gonna use. Oh, that's perfect. And I'm gonna drill the bottom part and we're almost done. So we installed the washer and dryer already. We also installed the gas in it and the water. I installed the sink too. I'm gonna do some clotheslines. Just in case we run out of gas, we can dry the clothes through the air and sun. For that, I'm gonna be using a piece of wood and some wire. I'm gonna use this wire to make the lines, and I'm gonna attach them to this piece of wood. So I just put both wooden pieces. Now I just need to put the wire and we're done with this. So the lines are done already. Now I'm gonna pour some more rocks in the ground and I think we're gonna be done. But let's see. So our temporary laundry is done. We have everything set up, at least for now. We really hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon of home decorations. Remember to follow us on our social media pages, also our webpage jazzomite.com. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single video. And see you in the next one. Bye.